Welcome back to another episode. We are just about to pull into Boden Autohaus. We're gonna pull in here, you guys, and let's get the F12 slammed down. And then I also have a straight pipe exhaust that if everything goes well here, we will have just enough time to get up to LA and get the exhaust installed, which will be absolutely bonkers because it's cat delete and we're gonna get a tune all done by Gintani. You know what that means? Flames. So you guys, here at Boden Autohaus, they do all sorts of crazy custom exotics. Look at the lineup just here in the back. I see my boy Carl's Murcielago. We got another 720. Looks like we have an AMG GTR. There's that insanely sick Speciale. And then we're gonna get the special treatment done to this car because look, that's just not gonna do. And this is certainly not gonna do. We have way too much wheel gap for the car. So let's get this F12 sitting proper. I'm gonna let Mia drive the car in. Okay, you brake, gas, you're good. So put on the brake, right? Pull the paddle once and it'll go into gear. And I'm just gonna get you to roll it into the back.
The right paddle once?
Yeah. Yeah, it's in first now.
Okay.
Damn, this thing looks sick already. It's gonna look even better when it's lowered. So now pull both paddles at the same time and see how it says N?
Yeah.
That's neutral, and then down here is your park brake. So pull that right here. There you go. You made it, well, 50 feet.
I drove the Huracan,
Yeah?
the McLaren, and the Ferrari, so I said that was what I wanted to do.
Goals. We'll let you really drive it, you know, sooner than later. Okay, while the guys get ready to get this car into the shop, because they got to free up a lift, they have a ton of cars. Boden Autohaus is always packed. Why? Because they kill the game with a lot of these modifications. Like Carl's car is here. Look at this thing. Brabus Edition AMG GTR with the canards. Another 720S. Look, loving that Vorsteiner front bumper, man. These guys are an amazing company for building body kits that just go so well with the factory designed aero without any compromise, but adding all those little touches that you guys would want and love. And then this is just on a whole nother level. This is the Boden Autohaus fully like street race spec Speciale. So this car is right. This car, no wheel gap, no wheel gap. This car, what do we got here? We got a 3-4 finger. What do you think? Oh my gosh, it is a 4-finger. How you doing this morning?
Oh, good.
How you doing?
Pretty good.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Don't mind me. I get excited when the car gets, you know, gets the Gucci love. Here, I'll close the door for you. That's the DD way. I know somebody on the internet's gonna be pissed about that one. You love what?
McLaren,
Right.
the white one and the one at the front.
Yeah?
I love the one that was at the shop last night.
Should I get another one? We have the one for Dave. Should I get one?
Yeah.
Should I get one like this?
Yeah, and then let me borrow it sometime.
There she goes. Fly-by, 4x4. Oh yeah. Wheel numero uno. Yeah, please do not give us any problems. Don't give me any problems.
Getting in there, eh? Yeah. Already on that
So what's
start.
step one? Wheel. Oh, you already got that out.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Loosey goosey.
Oh, look, it's nice and warm.
Yeah.
Oh, it's Christmas time. No photography. Only videography. Okay. Boden Autohaus. Christmas. All I want for Christmas is a lowered F12. The suspense is killing me. I'm not gonna lie. And we have a box within a box. Of course we do. This is where the magic happens. Right here. Awesome. Oh, look at that. Dude, I cannot wait to see this on the ground. Look, it looks so much better. Oh, look at you go, bro. Look at you go. That's one front done.
Yeah.
We got one more to go.
Yep.
That's it. All right, moment of truth, you guys. What do you think? Too slam? Do you think he nailed it? We're gonna find out. Am I gonna lose my front splitter the second I leave here? Here. Okay.
Yep. Oh yeah, TikTok queen.
All right, let's see what it looks like once we take her down. Give her a little roll. Skirt, skirt, skirt. Rambo's a shop dog. Rambo, what do you think, dude? How you doing, buddy? How you doing, buddy? We should get a DD dog.
Yeah, Rambo. One just like Rambo.
Rambo, what up, buddy?
He likes the camera, hey?
Oh, he loves it. Holy. Whoa. That sounds insane. You ready for this? Ready for this?
Yeah.
I'm so fired up because this is like making it look proper now. Look at that. Look at that wheel gap or lack thereof. Just the right amount. Look at that. Oh, hell yeah. Okay, moment of silence for the splitter, please. That looks so sick now. Thank you to Boden Autohaus, you guys. Go give him a follow on the gram to say thank you from DD. Oh, yeah. Woohoo. It's just perfect. He warmed it up. Now he's going to rev it. Ready? Damn!
The Ferrari's a little close. The barbecued there a little bit.
Oh, it's good. It's a DD Ferrari.
Oh, perfect.
Once again, Boden Autohaus. I don't know if that's how he wants it said, but that's how I'm saying it. Boden Autohaus. I don't know why I have this accent, but. Holy, dude, you were shooting flames out here and it wasn't even like fully warmed up.
It was warmed up.
No, but I mean like, it only gets hotter as you keep doing that. And then the flames get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. It's so quiet. We're gonna solve that problem next. Oh, hell yeah. Send it, bro. Send it down the road. I can't wait till that's screaming. Huge shout out to Boden Autohaus. I can't thank them enough. They took me last minute. Now it's time to roll up to LA to Gintani, throw on the FI exhaust, and make this baby scream. Well guys, we have made it to Gintani, and look who came. What up, dude? How you doing, son? Parker. I love that car. Yo!
Hello.
How are you? Good to see you.
You gotta love LA, where we're not sure when our ETA is because it could double or triple.
It was bad. I came from Orange County.
Yeah.
Not good.
That's why I don't go to Orange County.
It was 2 hours and 20 minutes I just drove.
Good.
Is that rolling anti-lag?
It's a standing anti-lag. I wasn't moving, so it's just normal launch control, but it sounds pretty cool.
It sounds like it's crazy. This thing is so ridiculous. That Escalade wanted a piece of you.
For real, dude.
That's so obnoxious, I love it. So in one of my previous videos when Parker was with us, we were driving back at night and this thing was just popping off the sickest flames, like this high. And you were so stoked.
I was stoked.
Should we make this thing shoot flames?
Yeah. Can it? Yeah, of course. We're at Gintani, the land of flames.
Dude, this guy would make a Prius shoot flames. Whoa! Dude! Welcome to the land of Gintani.
Want to race this car?
No!
Either one.
I don't want to race anybody.
Car head start.
Bro, it sounds pretty slow, man.
Sounds pretty slow. Send it.
Slow.
He's not gonna send it.
Oh, he's scared of it?
Scared of it? Look, look at him.
When I'm going sideways over there like that, I'm in third gear.
Oh, I saw that. It's one of those, you need to know how to drive cars.
No, it's one of those cars where you roll up to cars like that and my car, and then you smoke and make them feel like that's the best
I was
part.
fully convinced I was going to destroy you.
That's
and
the best.
now I'm
That's-
convinced
When cars
otherwise.
like when that car pulls up, I took a mental check of the license
Yeah,
plate.
yeah.
So when he pulls up beside me, I'm just gonna brake. He's on the phone.
I know.
He's just
with a customer like, yeah, your car
talking.
sounds good.
He's like just casually shooting flames. You know, you're like the flame tune god.
They are.
When you're on the phone and you're just revving flames on a car. I don't even know why.
I don't. I've never been here. I've never met any of them, and I know Gintani as the flame guys.
So I have a feeling we're gonna get to see this thing on the dyno maybe.
Is that
Dave's car.
about to happen?
I think so.
I would like to see that.
I
We'll
was-
make sure it's like a couple horsepower less than mine.
Don't worry, we're gonna see how much power it can make. And
Oh,
then put
that's
it-
way better. I like that idea.
And then put it back to stock so when Dave takes it, all it does is make more noise.
It made $999, and then at 1,000 it blew up, and we got a new motor, and we still told them it's 1,000, but it's actually 636.
And under load, apparently the flames get bigger.
I've already seen the non-underload. It
I'm
gets
like,
bigger.
but they're 4 feet long already.
I wish I just had that problem, you know?
It was
where
too long?
It's just too long.
Listen to this thing. So we were right. It's gonna get
Going on the dyno. And you know what that means though? The numbers are cool, but when he lets off the gas and it spools down, biggest flames on the dyno.
It's gonna be
sick.
crazy. All right, here we go.
Alec!
It sounds so much
It
better.
sounds so good.
Before, it didn't sound anything like that.
No, I know what a stock 12C sounds like. It's boring.
Yeah.
That's not boring. at all.
No, we need to find a new owner. Fast.
I'll take it. Sorry, Dave.
I'm excited for this. We know that the McLaren is too good for Dave. All jokes aside, Dave's gonna love this. The flame tune, the more power, it's making 85 wheel more horsepower and about 40 pounds more torque. Now, Alex said he can make it do more, but the reality is it's like, honestly, it's not a big swinging contest on DD over numbers. We're not about that. We wanna take that out, we want it to be reliable, and we wanna drive the out of it, and we wanna do the shenanigans. So,
We're about little swinging.
we're all about little swinging. Now we're gonna straight pipe the F12. We're gonna do a tune on that. The downside is this is where the video ends. So you're gonna have to stay tuned to tomorrow's video to find out what happens with the straight piped F12.
how big are the flames it's gonna shoot, how loud's it gonna be, how insane is the sound, how close will it be to an F1 car? These are all questions that we're gonna bring answers to in the next video. See you guys, peace.
Film. I don't know why he doesn't trust me.
I don't know.
Like,
He doesn't trust me either. But I don't trust him, so.
No one should trust him. No one should trust him.
No one should trust him.
Ah! It's so unnecessary!
That license plate clickbait, I love it. All right, David Dobrik.